to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, this time we clap our hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you.
Mga bata. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, give si Marshall. Happy birthday, Terence.
Happy birthday, Terence.
Malakas.
Happy birthday.
Alright, syempre, Ate Terence, before you blow the candle, close your eyes first. And then, of course, make a wish. Ipikit mo ang iyong mga mata. Wait! Ipikit mo muna ang iyong mga mata. And
Close
then
your eyes
mag-wish
daw.
ka na sana sa paglaki mo is malaki ka na, no? And then, syempre, ating magkakampo ng count. 1, 2, 3. And then, blow your candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow!
Blow na.